Hello tech lovers, today's video is on RG107 PRO Drone. Through extensive research and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's features, performance of its particular side, or necessary topics, we've got you covered with more information on this drone. We have also included the links in the description box down below. You can like the video, show your creativity in the comments section, and subscribe for more tech-related videos. We upload multiple videos in a week. Now, let's get started. Nowadays, we need drones for various reasons. Drones are becoming a part of our life. Whether we like adventure, or we are filmmakers, or we are busy people and nature lovers at the same time, drones are gadgets everyone needs. They have become inseparable from our life. Drones are becoming more advanced day by day, and the more they are advanced, there has been a rising in these quadcopters and other types of drones. Let's jump into the features of this drone. This particular mini drone is full of great features. Let's discuss those things. It has a great folding design. This drone is 27 by 22 by 5 centimeters with fan blades when unfolded, and it is 12.5 by 8.5 by 5 centimeters when folded. The folding size makes it very portable. It is very convenient for traveling because the body is the size of the palm of your hand, and you can take it anywhere. It's designed so perfectly that when you encounter something fun and quick, you can take it with you. It has 4K pixels camera. With the 4K cinematic front camera and 90-degree remote control adjustable angle, it provides great camera services. It also has a bottom camera. And with that bottom camera, you can switch front camera and bottom camera freely. The bottom camera is provided with a 120-degree wide angle. Modular batteries are very helpful in battery design. It makes the installation process of a battery very easy. This 3.7 volts modular battery is 1,800 mAh in capacity and provides about 15 minutes of battery life. The flight endurance of the clock exceeds most of the same type of consumer drone products. Flying is more comfortable and shooting is more leisurely. Now it is time to discuss various functions of RG107 PRO Drone. Wind resistance is a great weapon for drones. It helps the drone in windy situations. This mini drone is equipped with a powerful motor with smaller size and better performance, high explosive powerful power, high-speed power output of 1800 RPM, and wind resistance. The index is as high as level 4, and the flight is more comfortable and stable. With 4-grain strong motor, it provides an amazing performance. This strong wind resistance can almost make it steady as mount high. The fun of photography or videography is multiplied when there is a large amount of zooming ability. It helps to capture anything with much more detail and lots of clarity. And this particular device has 50 times zooming ability. The zoom is silky smooth, and the beauty of the distance is at your fingertips. 4K HD transmission. It has 4K high-definition transmission, and it is without a doubt a very useful feature. It lets you enjoy the flying process. Without this feature, you might feel bored while flying a drone. Because it lets you enjoy the amazing view instantly, you get a chance to watch live beautiful scenery from a great view. This particular device has high-definition frequency band, a more friendly viewing experience. And without a doubt it lets you enjoy the wonderful journey of aerial photography. Gesture recognition is a feature that is loved by most of people. It provides an easy process to take photos or videos. It makes the process easier and more comfortable. It is very fun to take photos or videos with gesture recognition. During the flight, you can aim at the drone camera and pose accordingly gestures to automatically take pictures or videos. Optical flow positioning is there to make the drone even more stable. It makes it fly smoothly both indoors and outdoors. With more stability and a safe optical flow visual positioning system in both indoor and outdoor environments, it can automatically maintain height and hover smoothly. Even with beginner experience, they will be able to keep it stable and fly it with lots of fun. Photos and videos can be produced in real time directly on the app. Adding music or filters and sharing with friends has become easier now. Adding music or filters was a lengthy process once, and it was a headache too. But with this mini drone, it is easy now. It provides about 100 meters flight, which is far enough to fly and capture all the good things and better. And in a mini drone, 100 meters of flight distance is a decent flight distance. Smart Follow is a feature that is very useful for especially adventure lover people. It follows a subject and goes where the subject goes. Suppose you are skating in a wonderful environment. It will follow you and provide amazing clips. How exciting it might be, right? In this device, you can turn on the following function, and it will automatically follow the operator. You can open, start shooting, realize, follow up shooting, etc. 360-degree tumbling stunt. 360-degree stunt is both eye-soothing to directly watch and also enjoyable to watch the clips that the drone provides. That means, if you are watching only the drone, it is fun to watch. And the drone collects some amazing clips while doing 360-degree stunt troll. Without a doubt, that is also fun to watch. You can draw the track you want on the app line and immediately click on the drawn flight path. This is a very easy flying process, and it makes the flying process easy. And it is surely a helpful feature for flyers. It helps them a lot and gives them ease while flying. Don't be afraid of collision and such things, because this amazing device is provided smart obstacle avoidance on 3 sides and provides you with hassle-free flying. Walking through the woods, wandering through the buildings, as flexible as a bird. It can be used in more complex scenes and when flying at night too. It can smartly avoid obstacles and refuse to crash. It has such intelligent avoidance like fixed collision avoidance, shuttle corridor obstacle avoidance, pedestrian flight obstacle avoidance, and indoor flight obstacle avoidance. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of this device. The pros are 4K ESC camera, 3-sided obstacle avoidance, 1 key operations, great design. The cons are battery life could be better, flying could be smoother. Is it a good drone? Is it worth buying? Why not? It has a great flight time and some one-click features at a budget price. Design and build quality are great and unique from some angles, and beginners are welcome to fly them. A great device for pro flyers too. It is a device that deserves a try, so you can always give it a try and make your money worth it. If you like the video and find it helpful, you can always give a like on this video. Smash that subscribe button for more tech-related informative videos. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description box down below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, have fun and keep up the good work.